What's up? High Discovery, back with another sweet video. Look, my site with my 3 lakes, the real Trinity Lakes, it gets even better. Now, this is gonna concrete the fact that this was and still is an ancient Kemetic or Egyptian site. Peep my smoke. Peep my smoke. It's unbelievable, fellas and females, felines. Look what we got here. Look at it. We got the eye of Haru that you only can see from the air. It's not the eye of Haru. What eye of Haru? What eye of Haru? This one. This one that you see all of the time. This one. At this site, that already has my 3 Great Lakes that I brought out. You all can see from the air. Approximately, the eye is approximately some miles. Eye is exactly almost 3 miles away. Almost 3 miles away. The eye is in size. The length is not it. Here to there. You do that in terms of yards. 40 something yards across. Well lit. And width 40 something yards across. All right, so roughly 45 or 45, something like that. Only can see it from the air. As you can see, this is a truck right here. Looks to be maybe a truck a little bit smaller than an 18-wheeler. I said this is in Mexico, located on El Yucateco, Mexico, the La Venta area. We got an eye that we can see that goes with the lakes. This should pretty much concreted that this was an ancient Kemetic or ancient Kemetic, ancient Egyptian kingdom. And I affirms it was built by Haru, the god, the face that we see on the water. So we could go on and just study around what it is, but you can't say this wasn't an ancient Kemetic site. And it appears that it was all over the world. It was all over the world, including Antarctica, St. Louis, Missouri, Louisiana, all over. So I wanted to get this information out to no one in particular except the world, and mainly, my people that are in the Americas that's been told that we came from Africa, but we come from here, so It's a short video to show what I needed to show. I discover eventually the whole world gonna mention me.